Hello guys, welcome to Java online class. Today's Java topic is defining class. As you guys already know that Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything should be created within class. So, class defines object states and its behavior. I'll explain with the syntax of class, how to create, how to define a class. Here is the syntax how to define a class. Firstly, class name, open a curly brace, field or variable declaration, then method declaration, close the class curly brace. Now here class is a keyword. Class name, that is any name which is given to class. There are some rules for naming class. Example, test. If I use test as my class name, T should be caps, remaining letters should be lower letter. Okay, that is test. Now, no sir, I want to give one more word with that. Like example, test demo. At that time, again, T should be caps, test. After that, demo. D should be caps, then remaining should be lower letter. Okay, this is the rules for naming class. Now, field variable declaration, method declaration, I'll explain it one by one. First one is that field or variable declaration. See, variable declaration, in this syntax for variable declaration, firstly access modifier, then type, variable name. Access modifier, it is optional for you guys. Okay, access modifier, it is nothing but public, private, whether you guys want your variable to be public or private. Okay, like that. Now see, in this example, type is int. Here in example, type is int. I used. Now variable name int ab, that is ab is the variable name. This is the syntax for variable declaration. Access modifier, it is optional for you. That's what I haven't used in the example. By default, access modifier, it is always public. Okay, now variable declaration over. Next, method declaration. Syntax, access modifier, return type, identifier, now parenthesis which indicates method. Now in the curly braces, method body or code. Okay, this is the syntax for method declaration. Now I'll explain with an example here. See, in example, int add. So access modifier, it is optional, I already said. Okay, by default it is public. Return type is int. See, I used int here. Identifier is add. It means add the method name. Identifier means the method name. It is identified by add here. I used here add and parenthesis. Now int add, curly braces opened, inside that method body or the code, like for adding a plus b, that is the code. Okay, this is about variable declaration and method declaration. Now the final example, everything I explained here, defining a class. Inside the class we have members, that is variable declaration and method declaration, both including both we used to call members. Okay, class members, both are class members. See, now the final example of defining a class with its variable and method declaration. Example, the final example, class test demo. See, I already explained the class name rules. T, it is capital, right? Now again with the test I used one more word, that is demo. No spaces in between, okay? Test demo. T and D, two are capital. So this is the naming class naming conventionalities. Opening brace. See, int ab, int add. Here I have members, two members I have. Within the class I have two members. Those are, see, variable declaration, that is int ab, it is one member. Another member it is that int add, this is another member. So int ab is a field or variable declaration as the syntax, and int add with the code it is a method declaration. Okay, so int add, inside the curly braces we can write the code. Now close the curly brace, then finally close the class curly brace. This is how we can define and create a class. Okay guys, now in the next example or in the next class I'll explain how to access, how to create an object, how to access an object. Okay, see you, take care.